Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Gus from GusDigitalSolutions.com, and yeah, just made my own, daily workout tracker app, IronLog.co. If you haven't liked and subscribed already, make sure you hit that bell and a notification. I appreciate it. And yeah, let's take a look here. So yeah, got the web app. It's currently live, ironlog.co. You go to it. I gotta update it. Some of this I have to make sure it is accurate. We have the free tier here, and how we compare. It's in the App Store. It should take 24 to 48 hours, and then each one of my sites, I'm gonna go ahead and contribute to the Breast Cancer Foundation. I'm going to link every one of them on each one of the sites. That way it helps them out too as well. And yeah, just trying to help people out in the gym, help people out any way I can. And yeah, let me know what features you guys want, as well as comment below if you want to get access to the beta.